Dear students and staff, a very good day to all of you. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish all of us a very happy Deepavali as the Festival of Lights draws near. Deepavali, of course, also known as Diwali, is a time of joy, celebration and togetherness. And I think that in these challenging times, that sense of togetherness that Deepavali represents is so critically important, because I think that as a faculty, we need to work together, we need to be with each other as we see through difficult challenges, but also to take the opportunity to celebrate and enjoy each other's company and to enjoy each other's culture. For me, when I was a young man, I always remember Deepavali to be a time whereby we would visit our friends and enjoy the sweet cakes and desserts and cookies and biscuits. But it's also a great time to laugh and enjoy each other's friendship and each other's fellowship. And so I really want you to take this opportunity over the next few days to enjoy each other's company, not only the sugary treats that I'm sure you'll be savoring, but also just to have the time to laugh, to joke, to talk, and to even perhaps to reflect on the past year. So for me, it is a time where there is the renewal of spirit. There is a time to refresh ourselves as we come together and enjoy each other, but also to look forward. And I therefore would like you to remember that as we look forward after Deepavali, after enjoying each other's fellowship, that we will come back together, we will work together, and we will be strong for each other. So in conclusion, I would like to wish all of us a very joyous time celebrating this Festival of Light, to remember that we find strength in each other and that with each other we can see the light through the deepest darkness. So with that, I'd like to urge all of us to take some time to enjoy the celebrations together, and of course I look forward to welcoming all of you back after the holidays. Take care, all the very best.